Hello friends, I am Ashish Naneshwar Kale, lecturer and head of Civil Engineering Department at KK Wagh Polytechnic Nasik. So, this is our next lecture for Mechanical Engineering Group for a subject Strength of Material whose subject code is 22306. So, today's topic is simple stress and strain and its course outcome is estimate simple stress in machine components. And under this, we have to learn unit outcome number 3, calculate modulus of elasticity and rigidity for the given situation. So, what we will learn today, calculate modulus of elasticity for the given situation and calculate modulus of rigidity for the given situation. From this topic, key points taken out are modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity. Before proceeding the lecture, go through concept map of unit outcome, calculate modulus of elasticity and rigidity for the given situation. For achieving this unit outcome, we have to understand concept of modulus of elasticity and concept of modulus of rigidity. Let's see modulus of elasticity and how it is calculated. Within elastic limit, the ratio of stress to strain is constant and this constant is called as modulus of elasticity. It is also called as constant of proportionality. It is expressed in mathematical form. It is a ratio of stress to strain and its SI unit is Newton per mm square. Next term, modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity or shear modulus is denoted by capital letter G, C or N. It is defined as the rate of change of unit shear stress with respect to unit shear strain for the condition of pure shear within the proportional limit. It is expressed in mathematical form. It is a ratio of shear stress to shear strain and its SI unit Newton per mm square. Let's see the relationship between modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity. E is equal to 2g in bracket 1 plus mu, whereas E be the modulus of elasticity, G be the modulus of rigidity and mu be the Poisson's ratio. Let's solve some numerical based on modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity. Let's see first numerical. A metal rod of 20 mm diameter and 2.5 meter long, when subjected to a tensile force 70 kN, showed an elongation of 2.5 mm and reduction in diameter 0.006 mm. Calculate modulus of elasticity and modulus of rigidity. Let's firstly draw the diagram from the given numerical. Then list out the given data. First, diameter of metal rod is given 20 mm. From this 20 mm, calculate the area of rod from formula pi by 4 d square. By putting the diameter value, we get cross-sectional area of that bar 314.159 mm square. After that, length of bar is given 2.5 meter, convert it into mm, then length become 2500 mm. Force is given 70 kilonewton, convert it into the newton, then force become 70 into 10 raised to 3 newton. Then change in length, that is delta L, is given 2.5 mm, and change in diameter, that is delta D, 0.06 mm is given. Step 2. Find out Poisson's ratio. For finding out the Poisson's ratio, we have to find out firstly linear strain and then lateral strain. By using this linear strain and lateral strain, we can find out Poisson's ratio. Let's see. Linear strain. We know the formula for linear strain, delta L by L. Delta L is given 2.5 and L is given 2500. By putting these two values, we get linear strain, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then lateral strain, we know the formula delta D by D. Change in diameter is given 0.006 and the diameter is given 20 mm. By putting these two values, we get lateral strain 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Then Poisson's ratio formula, we know it is a ratio of lateral strain to linear strain. By putting the value of lateral strain and linear strain, we get Poisson's ratio 0.3. Step 3. Find the modulus of elasticity. We know the formula delta L is equal to PL upon AE. By interchanging this formula, we get new formula in the form of modulus of elasticity, that is E is equal to PL divided by A into delta L. By putting each value in this equation, we get Young's modulus 222.816 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Then step 4. Find the modulus of rigidity. We know the relationship between modulus of rigidity and Young's modulus, that is E is equal to 2G in bracket 1 plus mu. By interchanging the term, we get new formula in the form of modulus of rigidity, that is G is equal to E by 2 in bracket 1 plus mu. By putting each value in this formula, we get G value 85.698 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. So this is all about modulus of rigidity, modulus of elasticity and its calculation. For our next session, we are going to learn concept of thermal stresses.